Beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see in the title, using bitter cola, which is also called orobo in my local language, for vaginal yeast infection, itching, odor, urinary infection. No matter what the infection has caused to you, girl, this is, let me say, a traditional way. Of course, it's not that it has one spiritual stuff or so, but it is like a local way people use to cure infection and which works perfectly without any side effects. So if you don't know how bitter cola or orogo looks like, orogo is in my local language. This is how it looks. It comes in a brown wrap. So you peel the wrap and that is it. Now, orogo is known for antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral ingredients in order to remove virus infection bacteria from your body. So how can you use this perfectly for your infection? Now please note that this does not have any side effects. I am telling you, it does not have any side effects. And also, but if you have ulcer, or if you are pregnant, avoid it, please. But if you have ulcer, just to run, like, do a patch test on yourself. Maybe just take half of that. It comes in circle. Just take half, then see the results in your body. Maybe your body is reacting to it or not before you go on to take it like a daily routine. If you get what I'm trying to say. So, how can you use this perfectly for your infection? Girl, it works. Like, it works actually, even beyond the cola, beyond using it for infection. It is used for cough. If you're having cough, and if you're having cough, this is something my mommy used, like she used randomly. I usually see it in her bag. If you have like all these, if dry chests, and what's it called, cough, or your throat is kind of dry. Bitter cola as well can be used. So don't let us deviate. So as I was saying, it can be used for your infection. For so how can you use it? You can just take two daily, then one in the morning, one in the night. Just chew it, and that is it. You are good to go. So bitter cola, I've taken this so many times. I've taken it so many times, and seriously, it is not bitter. Like, it is not bitter. It's not sweet actually, but it is not bitter. It is not bitter. It's something you can. It's not bitter. Something you can just chew randomly. So it's not bitter at all. So what I'm going to teach you three methods. I mentioned the first one. The first one is just take two daily, one in the morning, one in the night. Take the one in the morning before you take anything into your body, then you are good to go. So another method you can use is you are going to break the orogo, the kola nuts, into pieces. Like, you are going to chop it into pieces or blend, then soak it in water overnight, then take the water early in the morning. You can do that, just soak it in the morning, then take the water in the evening as well. That's another good way to use it for your infection. Please use this every day till it is gone. You're going to see the results. Like, immediately you are taking it, in the next 24 hours, you're going to see changes in your method that you can use that it will work perfectly is, now you're going to get a bowl. You're going to chop the bitter cola into pieces, then add it to the bowl, then add hot water. You're using hot water, not normal water. You are heating up water. So you're going to add water to it. Now, after that, you can sit on it. Just sit for it for as long as you can, like, just as long as you can. If you can sit for 5, it's fine. If you can sit for 7, it's fine. If you can sit for 10, it is fine. But tó bá ti ń lọ 12 minutes ó ti ń pọ̀ jù. So I feel 5, 7, 10 minutes is okay every day. So that's it. Now, what are the things you can now add to that bitter cola water, that hot bitter cola water? Now, you can add scent leaves. Now, I'm going to display how it is. Scent leaf is called efirin in my own language, and it's something I can find randomly at home. Like, it's something we plant everywhere at home in my locality, and they sell it as well. They sell it as well in supermarket and store. as well. So another thing you can add to it is cloves. I know that some people will be familiar. I'm going to display how clove looks like. So you can mix your scent leaf, your bitter kola, and your clove. Add it to that hot water. Then make the substances, the which are the kola nuts, no sorry, bitter kola, scent leaf, and make it dissolve a little bit in water, then sit on it for some minutes every day. That one as well is a very, very good method of curing infection for your body. So bitter kola is very, very, like, is very, 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 very good to cure infection. I don't want to care how the infection is. Seriously, beyond the medicinal stuff, there are some traditional things that even our women just take it around. My mom just take it around. I feel like maybe she take it for a chest, a throat, actually. But beyond that, it works for itching, it works for odor there, it works for any infection. Just chew it, take it in the morning, and just take it like randomly, and it works perfectly for you. I don't think bitter cola has any side effect. It does not have any side effect. Me, I've not seen any side effect. But if it doesn't work for you, there are so many traditional stuff that you can use for infection, but does not have, like, does not, maybe when you take it you won't like the smell of your mouth. Probably just take it before just take it and brush your teeth. I think that's the only thing, and it's not really bad like that, maybe. So bitter cola is actually good for bacteria, for virus, for infection, for itching, and girl, you are good to go. Now, like I said, it is a traditional way of using it for your infection and all. Now, I'm not sure, you can check out. I don't think it can be found in supermarket or store. But you can order online. There's nothing you can order online, because from my own little experience on how I get bitter cola is from all these local women in my state that sell all these local things, all these herbal stores. That is where I get my own bitter cola. So I'm not really sure if it's something you can find in the supermarket or store. So you get, but you can actually order online. But saint leaf you can get it, clove you can get it. So that is just it. And yeah, that is just it. So you can know, it's not, if you are the kind of person that you have a local market, just go to your local market, you are going to get it. But if not, you can just order online and you are good to go. So if you watch to this moment and you've not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Thank you so, 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 so much. Thank you so much. I want to see you in my next video. Please like. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.